Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Nano Banana in your AI animation workflow. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's video, we're going to use Nano Banana on Gemini. So first of all, you can visit gemini.google.com or you can open up the Gemini app. And then here, make sure that you choose Gemini 2.5 Flash and you can use the Nano Banana here. And for the AI animation workflow, usually I use Nano Banana to edit my image. I have already generated an image with AI. So this is the AI generated image, but I'm not satisfied with it. So I can use Nano Banana to edit my image. For example, here. And for example, guys, here I have already asked the Nano Banana to make the forest in this image more colorful. And this is the result. And if you're still not satisfied, you can try to edit your image again. For example, I'm going to make the hairstyle become short. Make the very hairstyle short and change the color of the gown white, like this. For example, basically you can ask the Nano Banana to do anything that you want with your image. And then after we have been satisfied with the result, we can animate our image using another tool. Okay, and this is the result. And yeah, if you're still not satisfied, you can edit the prompt. And after that, you can animate your image with another AI because we cannot use this Nano Banana to animate something. You can use VO or Pixverse or any AI which has ability to animate something. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!